Clarke CEW520 electric impact wrench makes an excellent addition to any worksite or workshop. It has a huge 320 Newton meters of torque, coupled with both forward and reverse drives. With this amount of power, even stuck fast nuts and bolts can be removed with this impressive tool. It's the perfect half-inch drive electric impact wrench for fitters, engineers and garage mechanics, and can drive bolt sizes all the way up to M22. The CEW520 is ready to go straight out of the box, coming supplied complete with 17, 19, 21 and 22mm impact sockets. An ideal accessory kit is this CIS 932 32-piece AF and metric impact socket set. With its powerful 520-watt motor and 4,200 impacts per minute, the CEW520 makes light work of a wide range of applications. Supplied complete with its own rugged carry case and 4 of the most common socket sizes, the CEW520 impact driver will give you many years of faultless service.